Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the top 10 best expensive food in Mongolia. 1. Bull 3. This elegant restaurant is rated as the top first best rated restaurant in Ulaanbaatar as they are known for their excellent service, clean and elegant eating environment, and for their menu that includes an array of raw, fresh vegetables, sauces, and thinly sliced meats which are brought to your table on platters. 2. Mongolians. The Mongolians restaurant is rated many stars due to their menu of contemporary local cuisine that many tourists are attracted to. Its environment that is filled with antique old photos and their great service that is tourist-friendly leaves the restaurant with great reviews on websites such as Lonely Planet and TripAdvisor. 3. Namaste Restaurant. Namaste is an Asian, specifically an Indian cuisine that offers tasty products for an affordable price between 15 to 25k Turkics. It is rated 4.5 out of 5 stars on the TripAdvisor website and is number 2 on the top Indian restaurants in Ulaanbaatar. Many reviews exclaim that not only is the restaurant well priced, but their meals are one of the best Indian meals that they have eaten in their entire life. 4. Hazara Restaurant. Hazara is also an Indian cuisine that is rated as one of the best restaurants in Ulaanbaatar at the moment, as it is rated number 1 on the best restaurants in Mongolia on TripAdvisor. This place is famous for their vegan-friendly and gluten-free options and offer their products for a medium-range price. 5. Millie's Cafe. This small cafe/restaurant is located on the west side of the Choijin Museum in front of the Sukhwatar Square, and it is an international cafe that is known for their breakfast and lunch menus. 6. Rosewood Kitchen. This restaurant is located on the busy streets of the Seoul Street and is known for its Italian meals. The kitchen is rated number 1 on the best Italian restaurants in Ulaanbaatar on TripAdvisor and is granted the badge Traveler's Choice. 7. Veranda Restaurant. Veranda Restaurant is a Mediterranean restaurant that is located on Jamin Gotamj and is number 2 on the best Italian restaurants in Mongolia. They are known for the fact that they are well priced and have an excellent service. 8. Modern Nomads Restaurant. This restaurant is rated as the top 5 on the best Asian cuisine in Ulaanbaatar on TripAdvisor and is famous for their authentic Mongolian meals that they offer. Many people use the words such as international taste, great menu, and traditional when describing modern nomads. Therefore, if you're a tourist in Mongolia, this place is a must visit if you want to get a taste of Mongolia. 9. Choijin Temple Restaurant. This restaurant is known for its location as it is placed in the east gate of Choijin Museum and is famous as the best Mediterranean cuisine. Many reviews on TripAdvisor exclaim that the restaurant has a great service and the best menu for desserts and the gluten-free option on their menus. 10. Hutong Restaurant. Hutong Restaurant is a well-known Chinese restaurant and is known for their amazing food and great service. Hutong Restaurant is also famous for their affordable pricing as many reviews written on TripAdvisor exclaim. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and please like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.